I'm joined with one of my patients from last year. Welcome, welcome. We performed over 2,000 grafts right at the hairline. So, what do you think of your results?
I am absolutely in love with them. It absolutely changed my life. I'm 25 and living in your 20s and being a girl, your hair is everything. And so I was very insecure about it, but Dr. Behnam, you changed my entire life. Like now I don't have to wake up in the morning and try to find like what I need to do to cover my spots. Like now I just wake up and I go to work and I'm happy. So thank you so much.
Oh, thank you. How was your experience overall, the transplant day? How did you like it?
Well, the reason why I chose you, because one, you had amazing reviews, but coming here, I felt so comfortable. I felt like I was part of the family. You made me feel so at ease, and I had no doubts the morning of. I came in, you guys were very you guys are very good communicators, and you were so informational, and I was just so ready. And then the day after I came back, you checked me out, and that was it. It was a very easy process. I slept perfectly fine, and I just did what you told me to do. There's procedure and you have to make sure you spray. I made sure I sprayed, and everything was perfect.
You did a great job. And she doesn't even live here. She actually travels
from San Diego,
so
it's worth the drive. And you're the only person I would ever recommend this to any of my friends if they ever had a problem like me. But I highly recommend Dr. Behnam. He changed my life, and I know he can change yours.